City Vice Mayor Danny Diasis. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, boss, ito yung PNP Motorcycle Escort, Alvencer Regional Highway Patrol Unit.
Approaching the Pinasilyuhan is the mass colors, unified mass colors. Headed by our City Director, Police Colonel Erwin Rebellion. Mangyari po na matindog po kita kabos sa pag-agi po sa reviewing stand kan sa tuya pong unified mass colors. Thank you.
The reviewing stand, the PNP Matrix Band and parading troops with PNP assets. Ladies and gentlemen, the PNP Matrix Band and parading troops with PNP assets. Thank you. PNP Majors Band and Parading Troops. Susunod po yan kang AFP, Philippine Army Brigade Band and Troops with...
The attention call has just been sounded, signaling the entrance of the contingents from the Armed Forces of the Philippines. The Joint Task Force Bicolandia, headed by Major General Noe Alberto Q. Peñafiel, Philippine Army, the commander of 9th Infantry Spear Division, Philippine Army, was formally activated on 11 June 2018 of the Armed Forces of the Philippines in line with the ongoing efforts to secure the entire Bicol region. The Joint Task Force Bicolandia conducts peace, law enforcement, and development support or PLEDS operations to destroy the armed components and support systems in order to totally defeat the armed insurgency in the region and strengthen territorial defense posture. The Joint Task Force Bicolandia is composed of the following units: the 9th Infantry Spear Division, Philippine Army, located at Camp Elias Angeles, Jose Pili, Camarines Sur, the Tactical Operations Group 5, Philippine Air Force, and the Naval Forces Southern Luzon, Philippine Navy. Today's ceremony begins with the entrance of the 9th Installation Management Battalion Marching Band under the baton of Technical Sergeant Mario P. Aldicoa, Infantry, Philippine Army. Focus your attention as you witness the entry of troops on the parade ground. Marching forward are the joint guardians of peace and protector of the people in Bicol region, led by the company commander, Captain Rolly Y. Lopez, Infantry, Philippine Army, with his executive officer, First Lieutenant Javel G. Lumbo, Adjutant General Service, Philippine Army. The company in common formation is composed of the troops belonging to the three major branches of service, representatives from the Philippine Army led by Second Lieutenant Ahmad P. Cantong, representatives from the Philippine Air Force led by Second Lieutenant Felicissimo Jose H. Miliado, and the representatives from the Philippine Navy led by Ensign Armando Ives S. Adeva. Now, ladies and gentlemen, passing before you are the equipment and capabilities of the 9th Infantry Spear Division, the K-9 team. The K-9 dogs are used for explosive detection and search rescue operation. The Infantry Squad. Its mission is to close with enemy by means of fire and maneuver, to destroy or capture or repel assault by fire, close combat, and counter-attack. The designated marksman or Gilisu. They are an organic part of the fire team and operates together with the main force. They are responsible for providing accurate fires over longer ranges. The 21st Cavalry Company in their armored vehicles. The V-150 Commando with dismounted team. The Commando, an armored fighting vehicle, is a combat vehicle protected by strong armor and generally armed with caliber 50, which combines operational mobility, tactical offensive, and defensive capabilities. The Simba Fighting Vehicle or SFV with dismounted team. The mechanized infantry will often fight in conjunction with armored vehicles to form a combined arms team. The Field Artillery. The 105mm howitzer is used to destroy, defeat, or disrupt the enemy with integrated fires to enable maneuver commanders to dominate a unified land operation. The towed mortars are from Charlie Battery, 2nd Field Artillery Battalion. the Emergency Response Company with code Rubber Boat. The DRR Rubber Boat is used for rapid deployment and handling rescue and relief operations, especially during natural disasters. The Emergency Response Company is led by First Lieutenant Adrian D. Lukay-Lukay, Infantry, Philippine Army. And the Forward Service Medical Company. The FSMC provides second echelon medical care on a direct support basis for the supported infantry division and maneuver brigades. That concludes the Military Pass in Review, brought to you by the men and women of the Joint Task Force Bicolandia. You are our inspiration as
Our special participation, non-competing entry. Universidad de Santa Isabel, Naga City. Non-competing band and majorates, University President, Sister Teresita Abastillas, DC. Director, Student Development Scholarship in Linkages, Dr. Virginia Reyes. OIC ACAD Director, Mr. Randy Salvani. Majorits Leader, Nicole Paga. Band Leader, Angela Mary Isplana. Band Directors and Majorits Moderator, Mr. Alexi Dago. Major Trainer, Mr. Alston Ragan.
Abalos, Universidad de Santa Isabel, Naga City. Matugang formaltang pubukasan ang satuyang competing secondary schools. Entry number 1 Incorporated. La Consolacion College of Iriga, San Francisco, Iriga City. CAT Mixed Company with Majorettes. School Head, Sister Josie T. Tangkaag OSA. Principal, Miss Jocelyn L. Malinaw. Corps and Staff, Cadet Colonel Christopher Velasco. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jerome Talagit. Corps XO S3, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel A. Aguido. S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Maria Angelica Ibarra. S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kate Antonia Medina. S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Siana Felix Bailon. S5, Major Leader Francesca Stan Canieva. Band Leader Siana Felix Medina. Company Leader Nurse, Cadet First Lieutenant Margaret Ishana Balitaan. CAT Facilitator, Mr. Ariel Raymond Ramos. Band Coordinator, Mr. Chapet Briones. Major Trainer, Mr. Larry Taduran. Band Master Trainer, Mr. Arlie S. Galvez. Color Guard Instructor, Mr. Rafael Pakagan. Entry number 1, La Consolacion College of Iriga Incorporated, San Francisco, Iriga City. Thank you. Entry number 1, La Consolacion College of Juan F. Trevino Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. President, Principal Perry O. Coruno. Corps and Staff, John Dexter E. Roman. Corps Commander, Clark Joan Candelaria. Corps XO, Princess Alicia Bazar. S1, Jude Enrico Castillo. Corps S2, Lindsay Luisa Tabiles. Corps S3, Gerald Salditos. Corps S4, Major Leader Jodie Amis. Band Leader Floyd Cedric Medes. Company Commander Rafael Pisino. Company XO, Bacao, Edmondo C. Jr. First platoon leader, second platoon leader, nurse, Kisha May Rumen. CAP facilitator, Melody C. Espiritu Teacher 1. Band advisor coordinator, Julio Cesar Iraula. Major trainer, Mark Jason Navales. Band master trainer, Raymark De La Cruz. Assistant Papi Facilitator, Brian Ravago. Assistant Band Advisor, Coordinator, Handelin A. Castillo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 2, 1F Trevino Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
We would like to acknowledge City Councilor Gail Abunal Gomez and Jefferson Felix. Also, ASDS Fernando Boy Macaraig. And also City Councilor Ason Piñaplo. We would like also to acknowledge City Councilor Sani Radiola.
Thank you. Entry number 2. 1F Trevino Memorial High School from Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 3. Entry number 3, Rosary School Incorporated. Principal, Maria Eusebia Gait Quinones, Core and Staff. James Werner I. Blanquera, Core Commander. Maria Josefa Shaina I. Blanquera, Core XO. Masaki Futita, Core S2. Kyle Angelo Moncayo, Core S3. Nicole Adeline Taduran, Core S4. Natalie Nicole Bisinio, Core S7. Majors Leader, Nika B. Baksain. Band Leader, Dwight Howell B. Carmona. Company Commander, Tara David Rivera. Company XO, Loie Paz. First Platoon Leader, Boys Mark Berry, Ian Angel. Second Platoon Leader, Girls Luisa Rian Lama. Major Trainer, Emil M. Maestrado. And Master Trainer, Marbert Lazo. Entry number 3. Rosary School Incorporated, J. Arroyo Street del Rosario, Bacao, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 3. From Rosary School Incorporated from Baao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry 4. Corps and Staff, Cristal Bay Suliman, Corps Commander. John Adrian C. Lazaro, Corps S1. John Paulo El Carte, Corps S2. Mark Luigi Di Villa, Corps S3. Johnny Fajardo, Corps S4. Majors Leader Junashal Bermido. Band Leader Omar Florin, Company Commander. Cadet Major Marvin Mibato, Company XO, Cadet Captain Aljon Banya. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Henderson Murada. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet Second Lieutenant Shane Salcedo. CAT Facilitator Lawrence B. Diaz. Band Coordinator Mary Cassidy Lili. Major Trainer Jose Apollo Entry number 4, Pararao High School, Pararao, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 4, Pararao High School from Balatan, Camarines Sur. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of City Councilor Attorney Buddy Del Castillo. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School from Bula, Camarines Sur. Corps and Staff, Cadet Major Azel Y. Basagre, Corps Commander. Cadet Captain Roland Arales, Cadet Captain Hasmin R. Cabaldera, Cadet Captain Hannah Faye Tataro, Cadet Captain Kenneth Baroga, Cadet Captain Ken Nagoro. Majors Leader Cadet Master Sergeant Chindy Pentecostes. Band Leader Cadet Master Sergeant David I. Puertas. Company Commander Cadet First Lieutenant Justin P. Morfani. Company XO Cadet First Lieutenant Ronald A. Lucido. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet Second Lieutenant Rizel B. Hermes. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet Second Lieutenant Angel Joyce Paliega. CAT Facilitator Mark John I. Francisco. Band Advisor Eric Buak, Jeremy Furiero, Janet Arales, Chiqui Azuela. Band Advisor Corina Laresa, Jenny De Silva, Arabe Di Loyola. CAT Coordinator Gian Javier, Karen Olieres, Ros Samer Obinya. DLC Trainer Christian Idrian B. Batan. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School, La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur. Mike. Thank you. Entry number 6, La Victoria High School from La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 7. Entry number 7, Camaligan National High School, Corps and Staff, Kate Lieutenant Colonel Natasha Lenet May Ras, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Mary Gail Kambali, S1. Cadet Major Gerald Averos, S2. Cadet Major Prince Marcaida, S3. Cadet Major Francis Kyle Fabiliare, S4. Cadet Major Grace S. Alvaro, S5. Major's Leader Jayons F. De Milan, Van Buder, Princess D. Trinidad, Company Commander, Althea J. Briones, Company XO, Alexis Morfe, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Julian Garcia, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Armin May Paulo, Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Ali May Paulo, Michael Rectin, CAT Facilitator, Romulo Aguilon, Band Advisor, Christian Roy Carino, Mayor Grace P. Santa Ana, Major Coordinator Edward Angelo Sortido, Band Master, Hill Del Rosario, Color Guard Instructor Cedric Federio, Drumline Instructor Dexter B. Jess. Entry number 7, Camaligan National High School from Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 7, Camaligan National High School from Camaligan. Entry number 9, Pamplona National High School, Corps and Staff. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Noreen S. Carullo, Cadet Major John Ler Gomez, Corps XO, Cadet Major Nathaniel T. Montero, G1, Cadet Major Manik Samar, G2, Cadet Major Raymond N. Baita, G3, Cadet Major Dave M. Solas, G4, Major Leader, Cadet Major Ashrina A. Miranda, Band Leader, Cadet Major Charles O. Acosta, Company Commander, Cadet Captain David Joshua L. Francisco, Company XO, Cadet Captain Ram Andre P. Isimo, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet Captain Peter Jan E. Leno, Third, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet Captain Franz Chandy Roslin, CAT Facilitator Rodolfo F. Praferosa Jr., Band Advisor Joseph S. Osamal, Major Trainer John Michael B. Miranda, Band Master Ian, Priscilla, and Francis J. Sinilia. Color Guard Instructor Aldrin Milan and Diana Avellana. Majors Coordinator Crisael C. Barbacena. Assistant Majors Coordinator Hannah E. Raka. Entry number 9, Pamplona National High School, Poblacion, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 9, Pamplona National High School, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Tinago National High School, Corps and Staff, Cadet Major Kian Bien Chua, Corps Commander, Cadet Major Rona May Atos, Corps S1, Cadet Captain Pauline A. G. Balato, Corps S2, Cadet Major Leonel G. Inocencio, Corps S3, Cadet Captain Creslin Acula, Corps S4, Major Leader, Cadet Captain Nina Micaela P. Claveria, Band Leader, Cadet Captain Lawrence Nazaret, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Emil Del Valle, Company XO, Cadet Captain John Paul Hernandez, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Angelo Armaliniza, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Soledad Sacando, Senior Band Advisor, Glenn Lawrence Osamal, Major Trader, Sherry Borromeo, Band Master Trainer, Jason Robin. Entry number 10, Tinago National High School, Barangay Tinago, Naga City.
Entry number 18 is Antipolo National High School, Antipolo, Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Competing in majorettes and percussion band, category A only. Majorettes leader, Trisha May Rehalde. Band leader, John Kennedy Peñaflor. Band advisor coordinator, John Alvin Claro. Majorette coordinator, Janet Mahado Lopez. Majorette trainer, Marco Rigola. Trainer, Joselito Pasiban Guernia. Entry number 18, Antipolo National High School, Antipolo, Minalaba, Camarines Sur. Lighto College, Mayor Marlico of Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Principal, Marshall Espinola. Competing in majorettes and brass wind band category B only. Entry number 42 is Sorsogon National High School, Magsaysay Street, Almendras Cogon, Sorsogon City, Sorsogon. Majorettes leader, Japanese Esquiros. Band leader, Ace D. Arevalo. Majorettes trainer, Sean Jamor Encinares. Band master trainer, Alec Joseph Generoso. Entry number 42, Sorsogon National High School, Magsaysay Street, Almendras Cogon, Sorsogon City, Sorsogon. Thank you very much. Entry number 42, Sorsogon National High School, Saysay Street, Almendras, Cogon, Sorsogon City, Sorsogon. University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus, Santa Cruz, Poblacion, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Principal, Ernesto Doloso Jr., PhD. This is Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus, Santa Cruz, Poblacion, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Non-competing entry. Major leader, Maiden A. Nino. Band leader, Justy Ian Tagum. Major trainer, Angelica Diaz. Band master trainer, Dandy Darius Moralde. Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus. Non-competing entry. I'd like to acknowledge the President of Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, President, Dr. Alberto Naperi. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Calabanga Campus, for your participation. College Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. Principal, Ruth P. Meliton. Entry number 45 is Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Richard Figueroa, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Pio Timbanga, S1. Cadet Major Jasper Ken Gordo, S2. Cadet Major John Michael Panercayo, S3. Cadet Major Vince Almirante, S4. Cadet Major Roden Palapa, S7. Major Leader Hillary Faye Latubo, Band leader, Nicolino Shane Perez. Company commander, Cadet Major Neil Ian Del Castillo. Company extra, Cadet Captain, CAD Facilitator Commandant Major Roel Ura, Philippine Army. Band Coordinator Julius Avenita Bajado. Entry number 45, Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 40.
School Head, President Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kyla A. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kyla A. Inciso. Corps Commander, Cadet Major Randy D. Albano. Corps S1, Cadet Major John Lexa P. Cañete. Corps S2, Cadet Major John Luis Babilonia. Corps S3, Cadet Major John Cedric Costanza. Corps S4, Cadet Major Company Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Christian J. L. Goliantes. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Princess I.C.A. Pertez. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jose Carlo V. Castro. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Florida M. Desmado. CAT Facilitator, Lieutenant Colonel Arnel D. Fabriaga, OSGSC Philippine Army. Band Advisor Benjamin Villanueva. Major Trainer Emma Credo. Band Master Trainer Venix Kenoses P. Hermogedo. Entry number 47, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Naga City. Thank you. Entry number 47, Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Incorporated, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur. School Head, Mr. Roberto F. Palanca. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Major Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Major Ralph Joseph P. Colorado. Corps Commander, Cadet Major Ivan Nathaniel Iliorde, S1. Cadet Jasper J. Pili, S2. Cadet Major Hannah May Rentosa, S3. Cadet Major Sanjay Lee Tige, S4. Cadet Major Elma P. Tale, S7. Major Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant Juaneth Mataya. Band Leader, Cadet Master Sergeant Ozana Pesebre. Company Commander, Cadet Major C.J. Picad. Company XO, Cadet Major Angelo P. Villoso. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet Major John Mark P. Salem. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet Major Johnny Cristo. Ang office Commander, Cadet Colonel Romeo P. Abdullah OFDSCT Army. Ang OTC Facilitator, Michipan Insin Larry J. P. Kerubin, Philippine Navy Reserve. Band Trainer, Mr. Algerts Grego. Major Trainer, Mr. Junel B. Sapularse. Entry number 48, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur Incorporated, Bato, Camarines Sur. Entry number 48, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur Incorporated, Bato, Camarines Sur. Liwat po sa tuyang pinapagirumdom ang sa tuyang mga kababayan na po hindi na pakiingatan ang sa inyong mga personal na gamit. Bicol State University of Agriculture AS1. President Dr. Alberto N. Napiri, SUC President 4. Entry number 49, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture AS1, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Colonel Mark Iliazor Valenzuela. Corps S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jenny Rose M. San Jose. Corps S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Joyce M. Taballa. Cadet Major Aubrey P. Blason S3, Cadet Major Monica Mary Luz. Corps XO, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Abigail Manao. S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lovely Lemino. Corps S6, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Lloyd Mabay. Corps S7, Company Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Russell Jocaresa. Cadet Captain Jake Arden Aaron Tendero. Company EXO, Cadet Captain Jojo Riconday. Idon Bearer, Cadet Captain Arch Baguio. Alpha Platoon Leader, Cadet Major Robert Abilay. Bravo Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Cyril Meliena. Major Leader, Alexandra Cesar. Band Leader, John Aldrin Elcano. CAT Facilitator, Sub-Sergeant Alan S. Monteverde, Philippine Army. Major Trainer Herbert C. Waloy. Bandmaster Trainer Ricardo B. Villamer. Entry number 49, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture as 1. Thank you. Entry number 49, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture as 1. Next entry, entry number 50, Camarines Sur. President, Dr. Arnel B. Zarcedo, SUC President 3. Partido State University, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Rhea May, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Rhea May A. Francia, Corps Commander, Cadet Major Cedric P. Curva, Corps XO, Cadet Major Rosalina Gonzaga, Corps S1, Cadet Major Domar Amor, Corps S2, Cadet Major Kenvien Romero, Corps S3, Cadet Major Giselle Alagan, Corps S4, Cadet Major Jessa Boyarca, Corps S7, Major Leader Leia May Hugo, Band Leader Lieutenant B. Awadi, Captain Commander Parang Captain Willie C. Masa, Captain XO, Cadet First Leader James Canero, First Lieutenant Boys, Cadet Second Lieutenant Robert Mark Delfino, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet Second Lieutenant Joylene B. Milan, CAT Facilitator Remy Roel G. Miradora, Band Advisor John Vincent Bailon, Major Trainer Jethro Bitonio, Band Master Trainer John Vincent M. Bailon. Entry number 50, Partido State University from Goa, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 50, Partido State University. Next entry, entry number 50. Entry number 51, Partido College, Corps Commander and Staff. Cadet Major Michelle P. Mahayhay, Corps Commander. Cadet Captain John Bert de la Vega, S3. Cadet Captain Sunshine P. Silva, S1. Cadet Captain Ivan Oscaras, S2. Cadet Captain BJ Sabas, S4. Cadet Captain Erika Julie Valiente, S7. Major Leader Gwen Sabani Jogelon. Band Leader John Cesar Rivero, Company Commander. Cadet Captain Javier Encinas, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Salvador Polinares, First Lieutenant Leader Boys. Cadet First Lieutenant Jesus P. Lacpano, Second Platoon Leader Girls. Cadet First Lieutenant Michelle F. Toralde. CAT Facilitator Major Roberto L. Florindo, Infantry, Philippine Army. Band Advisor Coordinator Fernando G. Luneta. Major Trainer Jaime T. Esmenda Jr. Band Master Trainer Fernando G. Luneta. Entry number 51, Partido College from Goa, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 51, Partido College, Barangay Tambuco, Goa, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 52, President Dr. Alex Navarroza. Entry number 52, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Biscasta, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel J. Belha, or Belga, Corps Commander. Cadet Major, or Cadet Major Annalisa Ercia, Corps XO. Cadet Major Jethro Sarte, Corps S3. Cadet Major Ray De Los Santos, Corps S2. Cadet Major Menard Chanuan, Corps S7. Cadet Major Nabli Sibulo, Corps S1. Major and Leader Mia Maika Soriano. Band Leader Jericho Badong. Company Commander Cadet Major Faith Villarosa. Cadet First Lieutenant Michael Lotario. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Danilo Sumulat. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Elma Encinas. CAT Facilitator Commandant Lieutenant Colonel Lailani Lucas. Philippine Army. Man Advisor Coordinator Mr. Salvador Berha. Majorette Trainer Darlene Ding Marquez. Cultural Coordinator Dr. Emily Berha. NSTV Coordinator Mr. Francis Houston. Entry number 52, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 52, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Peña Francia Avenue, Naga City. Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Canaaman, Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Baras Canaaman, Camarines Sur. President, Dr. Marlisa Jimenez Sapuan. Entry number 53 is Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Canaaman, Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Baras Canaaman, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Mark Aaron Galero, Corps Commander. S1, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Mark Neil Montes. S2, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Ivan Clifford Mirabello. S3, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Mario Reboriano. S4, Midshipwoman, Lieutenant Junior Grade Jezabel Guerrilla. S5, Midshipwoman, Lieutenant Junior Grade Maria Teresa Enciso. Native Leader, Miss Princess Jan Saren Riola. Band Leader, Midshipman James Vincent Estradis. Company Commander, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Bernardo Acop. Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade John Lee Kilong. Company XO. First Platoon Leader Boys, Midshipman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Ronald Ravanilla. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Midshipwoman, Lieutenant Senior Grade Maria Peya Caganda. CAT Facilitator Commandant, Commander Wendell Boy Buntag, Philippine Navy. Band Advisor Coordinator, Mr. Harold Hernandez. Majorettes Trainer, Mr. Zeus Enrique Ariola. Bandmaster Trainer, Mr. Adrian Arcilla and Mr. Raymond Nino Asido. Entry number 53, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Canaaman, Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Baras Canaaman, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 53, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Canaaman, Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Baras Canaaman, Camarines Sur. Next entry, Camarines Sur. President, Attorney Emmanuel S.D. Ortega, LLM. Entry number 54 is University of St. Anthony, San Miguel Iriga, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Colonel Angelo Obis, Corps Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lloyd James Bora, Corps G1. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ray Malin Apple Berlon, Corps G2. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Mark Dave De Los Santos, Corps XO. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Donna Rose Cardino, Corps G4. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ella April Namoro, Corps G7. Majorettes Leader Bettina Pauline Francia. Band Leader Yumar Pili. Company Commander Cadet First Lieutenant or Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lawrence Patrick. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Stephen Thomas Manasseh. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Princess Natalie Maestrado. CAT Facilitator Commandant Major Janice Legaspi, Infantry, Philippine Army. Band Advisor Coordinator Jonathan Chara Jomel Valeros. Coordinator Majorettes Trainer Marvin Beterbo and Cesar Dimabayao. Band Master Trainer Jomel Valeros. Color Guard Instructor Charles Shane Marshall. Drumline Instructor Jonathan Tasara. Entry number 54, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga, Camarines Sur. Very much. Entry number 54, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 55 is Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. For Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Shaina Mira or Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Shaina Mira Sihera. For Commander, Corps S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Mark Ruang. Corps S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Paul Kial. Corps S3, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Maria Christine Elizabeth Nacario. Corps S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Joy Hogan. Corps S5, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Robert Colorado. Major Leader Audrey Alexandra Rina. And Theodore Estrella. Company Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Terence Monaco Lara. Company Reso, Cadet Major John Lloyd Boteño. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet Major Kurt Dino Gornal. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet Major Arlene Rose San Juan. CAT Facilitator Commandant, Commander Wendell Boy Buntag, Philippine Navy OSC. Majorettes Trainer Noel Lopez. Band Master Trainer Jomel Relativo. Dr. J. Luzon, Cultural Coordinator. Entry number 5, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 55, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges from Nabuac, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 50, President Dr. Fay Lea Patria M. Lauraya. Entry number 56, University of Nueva Cáceres, Corps and Staff. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Vincent M. Cabañas, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Francis Deo R. Fig, S1. Cadet Major Giancarlo Gonzaga, S2. Cadet Major John Christian P. Plaza, S3. Cadet Major Venix Evibar Dakara, S4. Cadet Major Kenneth Paul Sanduco, S7. Major Leader Kimberly Dipala, Band Leader Ray Joseph P. Ruaring, Company Commander Cadet Major Michael R. Rilunya, Company XO Cadet Major Franza R. Oo, First Cadet Boys Cadet Major Colonel Francis C. Santi, Second Cadet Major Boys Cadet Major Loren R. Panakay, ROTC Major Lord John T. Hernandez, Philippine Army. Band Advisor Coordinator Carl Ariel Espausto, Major Trainer Janet Aquino, Band Master Trainer Carl Ariel Espausto, Mark Steven Briones. Entry number 56, University of Nueva Cáceres, Naga City. Thank you. Entry number 56, University of Nueva Cáceres, Naga City. Next entry number 50. President Ms. Merly Jimenez San Pedro. Next entry, the entry number 57, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Legazpi City, Albay Incorporated. Major Leader, Bea Sandra V. Nobio. Band Leader, Mar Tristan Luis C. Tapirara. Thank you. Entry number 57, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Legazpi City, Albay. Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. School President, Julio Victor Marlo D. Siguera. Siguera Technological Colleges Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Irvin G. Tumbado, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Erica May C. Ramirez, Deputy Corps Commander. Cadet Major Katrina Paula C. Navales, Adjutant. Cadet Major Carlos Cervantes, Intelligence. Cadet Major Austin Saldo, Operation. Cadet Major Jeremy Buffete, Supply. Major Leader Janeline B. Magistrado. Hand Leader Riley Ernest P. Santa Cruz, Company Commander. Cadet Major Prince Elijah Endradan, Company XO. Cadet Major Anthony Barbosa, First Major Leader Boys. Cadet Major Mark John A. Mora. Second Platoon Leader Girls. Cadet First Lieutenant Chriselle A. Brillo. CAT Facilitator Colonel Harold V. Arnado, Philippine Air Force GAC Commanding Officer. Land Advisor Coordinator Jerry Blende. Major Trainer Roger O. Merandilla. Land Master Trainer Miguel Cernande and Marvin Cernande. Entry number 58, Siguera Technological Colleges, Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. Thank you. Entry number 58, Siguera Technological Colleges from Iriga City. Next, Dr. Maria Luz P. Macasinag. Bicol College, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Oliver M. Oval, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Eva Endidea, Corps XO. Cadet Major Cristil P. Ogayon, Corps G1. Cadet Major John Lloyd G. Llames, Corps G2. Cadet Major Bernard Tuelia, Corps G3. Cadet First Lieutenant Jiro V. King, Corps G4. Major Leader Chini May Haok, Band Leader T.S. Hans Canale, Company Commander. Cadet First Lieutenant Aaron Cedric M. Bodonia, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Ian Lawrence Abuela. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Aaron John O. Kopla. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Joy Ann Bite. CAT Facilitator Lieutenant Colonel Cristobal B. Santander. Band Coordinator Lionel Dacer and Band Master Trainer Lionel Dacer. Entry number 59, Bicol College from Sagpon, Daraga, Albay.
lalaki ay...
Anos! Okay, kamay nag-uulan sa kayo.
Thank you. Entry number 59 from Bicol College, Sagpon, Daraga, Albay. Next entry, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pasacao Campus. President Alberto N. Napere, SUC President 4.
Ay, magayon ang bayan ng dahon niya. Udi ang ngidin,
Entry number 60, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pasacao Campus. Bench leader, Aliana B. Balines. Band leader, Juan Carlos A. Salvador. Band advisor, coordinator, J.B. Espinosa. Entry number 60, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pasacao Campus.
Thank you very much. Entry number 60.